My name is Monica Lindsay, and this presentation is going to be over why we should invest in bringing Pizza Hut back to Pocahontas, Arkansas. Their mission statement is to take pride in making the perfect pizza while providing courteous, helpful service at all times, striving to have every customer say that they want to be back. So, a bit of history. In 1958, the Carney brothers actually borrowed $600 from their mother and then opened up the very first Pizza Hut. And this grew to be one of the most popular pizza joints ever, winning national awards for their creative ideas and innovations. While the reviews are poor for many cities, mostly about their orders being messed up or the employees being rude, the Pizza Hut that was open in Pocahontas before it shut down had very good customer service as well as accuracy concerning orders and delivery times. Their future goal is to become the best employer for every community they are a part of. And then we have the menu, pricing, and atmosphere. Pizza Hut offers desserts, dips, drinks, pasta, pizza, of course, sides, and chicken wings. The pricing ranges from at a high of $20 to a low of $6, depending on the order. Pizza Hut, when it was still open in Pocahontas, had a comfortable atmosphere. Nobody went out of their way to talk, but it was still comfortable enough to eat in peace. As for where it should be located, the old location was pretty fine. I don't think there was anything wrong with it. It was on 1826 Highway 67 South, Pocahontas, Arkansas. The reason why it should stay in the same location is that it's in line with the other frequently visited food joints just across the Black River Bridge. So they should be able to have the same amount of customers coming in and out as the other food joints. As for parking and traffic, there should be at least 12 cars worth of room, counting handicap parking and a separate area where workers can park at. The traffic, however, is a shortcoming, because depending on the weekday or the weekend or the time, that traffic's going to be terrible. But with the option of delivery to people's homes, this should make things very, very much better. And then we have sales and revenue income of Pizza Hut. So Pizza Hut's average profit is roughly $100,000 per year, but the end profit is between 3 and 7% of the annual sales due to the fees that have to be paid to corporate HQ, which it's still a lot. It's just not the complete $100,000. The investment cost ranges from $367,000 to $2 million, a little over $2.1 million, a little under $2.1 million, including a $47,000 to $69,000 fee to be paid to the franchisor, but this does not include the property. That just includes the plot. The last stated growth plan for Pizza Hut was made back in 2020 to 2021, stating Pizza Hut has been on a steady growth trajectory and plans to enter several new cities by the end of 2021 to expand its presence in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities alongside metros. As for workers and management mentality, many issues with Pizza Hut comes from its cost-cutting management mentality. This was most likely due to the lack of income they were getting, but finding a management system where cost cutting isn't needed would be ideal. There would be plenty of employment opportunities so long as the employees are able to be professional, civil with customers, and can do their work competently, which were the main issues for other countries concerning Pizza Hut and their service. So for a recap of this presentation, while the reviews are poor for many cities, the Pizza Hut that was open in Pocahontas had very good customer service as well as accuracy concerning orders and delivery time. The traffic, depending on the time of day, would be a shortcoming. The decent prices and option for delivery would make things much better. Investment cost from $367,000 to a little over $2 million, including a $47,000 to $69,000 fee to be paid to the franchisor. While Pizza Hut didn't have a good profit the first time, it's not impossible to fix. Invest in starting up Pizza Hut once more in Pocahontas for better pizza at affordable prices.